Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Mine here is in Transitions, and drag and drop transition number 5, just like this. Take the media into the yellow arrow, media into to the green arrow, like this. Connect to the media out, and this is all you have to do. And now you can see the vortex is spinning and revealing the other clip underneath. Now when I ungroup, I show you that it's very simple. You have a background, go inside the merge. This is to adjust if you want some other effects in this merge for this clip. And then you have the more vortex, adjust the speed, angle, size, whatever you wish. All is it is done in 120 frames. All this will go to the blur, and in here in the merge is the last, and it will make the media in one disappear. And as you can see, vortex is spinning and revealing the other clip. Very simple, 2 seconds. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.